In this video tutorial, you will learn how to customize your store receipt. To customize your store receipt, go to the POS channel, click Settings, refer to Receipt, click on Consumption Tax Number to fill up your company tax number if applicable. Next, go to Receipt Template Setting and click Custom Receipt Template to design a receipt layout for each of your retail outlet from the drop-down box. Select the fields that you want to show on the receipt and key in relevant information. The same design will apply to all stores, but remember to change the store address according to their location. Same goes to product information and customer information. You just need to select the fields that you want to show on the receipt. Moving on to footer setting. If you would like to enter a custom message to be displayed at the bottom of your receipt, you can fill up the notice text field. Lastly, set up the print setting. Start by selecting number of print quantity of receipt each time and the width of the receipt paper. Click Save. Now your setup is completed.